Okay, what I'm going to talk to you about now is the Gavia wheels. All of the Gavia wheels, it doesn't matter which rim profile that you use, but they all use the very unique Bolzano hub, specially designed for the spokes to leave the hub at a tangent, hooked in through a special keyhole design here to maximise power transfer properties. Very important that the disassembly process is followed very carefully when changing free hubs from Shimano to Campagnolo or just general maintenance. First thing I'll point out is you don't always need to disassemble everything to apply grease to the free hub. By using a 1.5mm Allen key on the grub screw here, you can inject grease in through the nipple hole there. But I'm going to show you now how to disassemble the free hub maintenance setup that we have here. Now, what you need is a slim 17mm open-ended spanner and a 5mm Allen key. And what you need to do is you need to slide, first of all, the 17mm spanner there over these cones. Make sure the spanner's sat in correctly. And if you look, there is a direction arrow on this grub screw here. Okay, it's a reverse thread, and you just simply undo that, like so, and remove the grub screw. Okay. Now you'll find this is actually finger tight. You can undo this cone like so. And the free hub body simply slides straight off. Degrease, re-grease, reassemble, or very simply switch over to a Campagnolo one, like so. However, for full maintenance, full cleaning, you can actually just push the rest of the assembly out of the hub, and you've got full access then to the non-drive side bearings. Give it a good clean. Okay, put it all back together. It just literally pushes back in like that. When you're reassembling the free hub, as I've said in other videos, make sure the bush is inside here. As you can see, it's very important. Okay, you slide the free hub body on like so. The adjustment cone then goes on. Again, you'll see there's a directional arrow on here telling you which way to screw it, because the grub screw that locks it all together is a reverse thread. Okay, I don't need any spanners, that's finger tight, that's all you need. You then take the grub screw, taking care not to cross thread. It's advisable sometimes to use a little bit of Loctite on there as well. Okay, I'm making that finger tight. Check the cone's not moved, it hasn't, there's no play in the bearings. With the slim open-ended spanner, like so, put that onto there, and just lock home the grub screw. Don't need to over tighten it. Very, very simple, very important you follow this procedure.